Khubor baro Shaki Tup Khubor jong donbosco media network. Kimat bakong san menta kasi kilong. Puli umintri rangba ya kalimpong tamasa katho katarhanan pelok. Sedang karaki ya katayo cooperative society hakalengkeri India. Da kablang li bat us erli lapendep ya kan yam lukmi right marnga. But kajing im ki Samla sha thangan kadon hakajing ma ong ka Dr. Caroline. Bat tu menta ngine pai Shiki Khubor ki babnya. Ban penslori ki kena skol ki Samla puli bade ki pai ba jong ka Jylla ban bang ha ka tho ka puli ka sarkar Meghalaya kala penlong ya ka limpong tamasa food Shillong literacy festival ha ka bala pli pai ba da umintri rang ba ka Jylla u konrad ke sangma harut ka pung nan polok ha ka khat pratari ku Naiwieng. Hakani kalimpung on one pinch ngan de kinong tho ba paunam kari India ke bakin thop ya ujaki Collins ka shobhade bat unong tho poetry u Vikram set. Kani kalimpung kalong ru ka atyar baki Samla bat kinong tho pasdang ban mi perthai na ka Jylla kinyo ya kalat ban ya kindu ya kinong tho ki bana shabar. Laong mentri rang ba ha ka jingkran pli hakani kasngi. Ulo ong ru baka sarkar kapan shlor ye ki khenna skul banwan shakani kalimpong ban yo jingmun ban tho bantar hak jinge kendu bat kinong tho ki bana ki wei bat ki benta jongkari India. Umentri rang ba ulo ong ru ba ka Meghalaya ka de ka Jylla ka barrios pa hak jingbon jongki Samla ki babe shaki jingpuli. Kani kalimpong ya kendu jangki nong tho kapli ru ya ka kabukser ban pinrehem ya ka jingthro ban tho ban puli ban pinroy ya ka perkhat ka perdan ha ki babun ki phang jong kalong breu man breu. Umentri rangba ulanyo tangru ya ka spa maryang ba ka Meghalaya ka dan ka ba kani ka juk kalas dang ban pinroy lingba kitnat jungo kai perthai ban khring ye ki breu na bar ka Jylla da ka jingdan jangki hotel ki homestay bat ki jaka bam ba khuj basuba ulapan paru ka jingkermen ba kani ka limpong kan kring ya ki Samla ki babun jong ka Jylla khamtam e ya ki Samla ka sor Shillong ban shim kabu ya ka jingwan jong kani ka literary festival ha kani ka nong ba ulong ru ba ka sarkar kan penlut ko ba 1,000 crore tingka hakis nam banwan ban kershan ban sing ban te ya ki hotel ya ki homestay bat ki jaka ban bam na ka benda ki nong jong kai perthai.
So we can have it here and the press can put outside. Okay. In fact, we're done with the ribbon now. Yeah. Another picture. Yeah. This is better. I think you should do it. But unpack it. This is great. You don't preserve. So we're preserving it. Number one. Number two, we'll be creating museum inside it. So we are thinking of what museum to create so that people can sit and see something. So we'll see what to do. Yes. When we started this literary festival 4 years back, we did not expect that we would be able to shape it into the kind of program and the festival that we are seeing today. Really, I must once again congratulate the team which is behind making this festival what it is, and a lot of hard work has gone into making this at this grand level. But I can definitely assure you that this is just the beginning, and we intend to make this into a much bigger festival, as well as ensuring that this becomes an event not just at the national level but also at the international level. We have been talking about the literary festival, and it has got many aspects to it. It starts, of course, with the fact that it allows our writers to come together, to provide them a platform. And for many years, though Shillong had the talent and the people here had the talent and the interest and, more importantly, the passion to write, but somehow the platform was not provided to them. We are hopeful that this literary festival would provide that platform where writers from throughout the world, throughout the country, and our own writers from our own state would be able to come together.
Ka office jong assistant registrar cooperative society West Khasi Hills district but ka office usap registrar cooperative society South West Khasi Hills district ringkat ka jingatray lang ka Meghalaya cooperative apex bank MCAP but ka DPMU MBMA Eastern West Khasi Hills district kila rakhe ya ka All India Cooperative Week ka bahinyo puway haka khat pratrik Naiwieng halor ka jingthamu ban pinkhlan ka jingtray lang hapdeng ki cooperative society. Hakasien ka baningkong ban rakhe hakani ka district ye ki program la penlong hati Rot Singh Memorial Hall pindeng umyong mairang. Ka Deputy Commissioner ka Mitali Chandra kalalong ka kongsan bat ka Deputy Registrar Cooperative Societies ka kong iling do kum ka simbot kongsan. Ki officer na kitna trekam na kani ka district ki dakhat bat ki nongyalam jang ki cooperative society babun jat kila idon lang hakani ka jingalang. But haka jingkren kum ka kongsan ka DC kalaong kum ka chairperson haka bentaban kintiw ya ka cooperative ka danru ya ka bentaban penyo ya ki jingirap syaki society hapo ka district. Kalau ang ru baki cooperative kimday kum ki company ki betray shimet henry ki society ki degi badan ka jingatray lang jong baro ki dukhat hapo jong ka. Ki betray shitam ru ban kintiw yala ka jong ka society but ban bu ru ya ka thong ban kinjo. Kat ba na kalyang jong kakong iling do kalapen pao ya kajing sngo kemen banidan ringkat lang hakani kajing rakhi ya ka All India Cooperative Week ka bahinyo puway jong uni usnem arhajar arpusaw. Kani kajing rakhi ka long ru banwan ra ya kajing etray lang hapdeng ki cooperative society ban kajing rakhi hakani katayo ka wan ra hapdeng ki dukhot ya kajing sngo try ya ki cooperative society ki balong ki try bat ki danru ika kamram bat ka jing kit kli bante ye ki kam hapo ka society. Kalapen pauru bakari India ka don ya ka jing thamu ban penlong ya kari ka ba dry ka ba par ka ba pahu pat bakiyo hakilyang baro. Bat day tangling baki cooperative society ki bala ban penpoy syakani ka thong. Ki cooperative kilalong ru ki botlum hakayo ka kot bat kumju ru ban penroy penkiyo ya kayo ka kot jong ki pat ba hakari kalapen kut.
That it is only limited to the role of registration, but that is not it. We as a department, corporation department, now I am also in the corporation department, even DC is the chair of this, I think, for the development of corporation, the cooperative society at the district level. We all have a role in providing you financial assistance, in providing you all kinds of trainings in hand-holding a cooperative in the district. So, when I joined the department, that was a learning point for me. Cooperative is not just about forming any business entity like a company, like a society, like a self-help group. No. Cooperatives are based on 3 values. Very important values, and these values make us different from other kinds of business entities. Firstly, it's about self-help. It's just not that we are seeking the financial assistance, we are dependent on the government for all the supports. We know there are several government of India schemes, there are several state government schemes, where we simply go and seek the help. And let's say we want to buy a vehicle. See, simply go outside and you buy a vehicle from CNN State. Cooperative is just not about that. We work hard, we use our own money, we invest our own money, and we take assistance and help from the government, but to see how our aspirations, how we together can make a difference and uplift our status. It is our effort which is the most important here. We would like to, we as a cooperative help ourselves first. We are just not dependent on government.
Karaj marngar haka khat hinyo tarik Naiwieng klayo ban pindep ya kali anyam bashisin sansnem ya ka pomlang lukmi hakerdop yeng saat hamarngar. Las dang ya kani kali anyam Naiwieng sat but lapin buat da kejing ya pat ba Shamadan ke skul sanggedev ringkat ke shat ke kemen ke put ke tem but beteng ya kanyam ke rukom hakani kamadan. Nakani kamadan layat pat ba abyang Shillong sat jong kas ie marngar. But Maria poi hakirdop lakanya da ka blang li but us erli nangta hakamat ka yeng sat lakanya sakawai ka blang li but us erli kum ban pli jingkhang ya us iem ban rong Shillong sat jong kas iem. Yakani ke jingle anyam jong ka raj marngar lawan sakhiru da uba h thank you unong bishar jong ka Meghalaya High Court u MLA ka nongpo uba Meral Bonds iem u MDC barkum joru uba balajit rani upa iem u aina manix iem jong ka himamaliam uba Nathaniel thank you uba sannong se jong ka himamaliam upa iem Richards iem ka raj marngar uba giko damlong sangot lemat ki pat ki hajar na ka raj marngar pat ni kiwe pat ki jaka. Habai kren bat upa iem Richards iem karat marngar uloong kani ka jingle anyam kadi ka bakham kerpang namar kadi ka balale shisin hakasan snem hakaba ki khat saukur ki badan ka sat ka sunan ki badan ru ye ki maush ieng bat ki kepep ieng ki shimbenta haka jingle anyam ban aingu aidem ya ublei nong bu nong thau hadu menta mane karat marngar kamana bat kam sha ye ki pat ba lane ki nong khai haki yo ki hat ban wan de ye ukwai im ba de so plang kat ba ompat dep ke jing ot ke ba langen balada penrung ye ukwai im bat kum juru yo so plang klempat dep ban lum ban lang ye ukba na ki pen thor bat ki lingkha kala ban wan ling shop kanem snew ling ba uslap bat upria bajur uban penjat bat penjulor ye ukba ukhaw ha pen thor.
Niam kasat lokmi kejungi hapo karai marngar kibalabu sang nadu ki kulong kuma nadu ki kapor ka himat Shillong te karai marngar kejungi tahap hapo 5 milim simsip te kejinglan niam le rekom kane kalong sisin sansnem kita kikur ki menang bisan ki seng ya kane kari karai jengi simbenta wai pai wai na ka benta kane ka kajing liat niam kajing oh gibon kikun ki hajar ki basok senang so hima so raj tambah kitu ide kikun ki hajar jong ka raj marngar mat kikun ki hima milim tambah maki minum kimia ban yang simbenta datang kita ki khatlai khat saukur jong kane ka marngar pulun hitang kita kikur ki badan kasat kasunan kita ki maus eng ka kepep itu ki bersimbenta hapo kane ka kajingla niam kasat le kumi jengi dekane kajingla kumi gadai kawai kalong kebangi niau kentang niau buram nam tau kubau khau na ka benta ka bam kasa banbit ban biang khai ka pateng ka rep karyang lane ladawan kano ki bawan wan lansop bun ser ya kubau khau hakane ka ngi aingu aidam na benta ublai nungbu nong tau ubah lor tam Then ito daw, ni hapo karait marngar. Hadu minta. Kuai mat soplang. Hakayo kahat. Kadwa ngimpat la ban ot kuba. Ngimpat siya ban ra kuai bat.
Ka Dr. Caroline Mukim, Chief Medical Officer but in charge Wellness Center NEHU, ka badan Peit hasinda jong ki Samla puli ki basong sya tangan bat ka Peit binya ya ka kot ka kya jong ki mentala khat sausngi kala maham jur bat kin turu ya ki bor bah khali jong kani ka skul ba ban shim kya da ka baong ba ka jing im jong ki Samla puli ki basong sya tangan mentala artio kinthi kadan hapreng ki jing ma ka bakraw. Kalau ong ru na kani ka jing hiar ha ka kot ka kya kala ru ban wan lam she ki jing ja ki basngausi ka Dr. Caroline kalau ong ru ba ka jing kot jing kya jang ki babun ki Samla kam ilong shu ba kin nang yai beteng ban shong sha thangan bat kala kin turu ya baro ki Samla ban weng no ba ban sange no shi sundan ya ka jing sha thangan jang ki haka jo kapor uba Michael's im ubalong unong yalam jong ka mat chaprang movement ringkat bat ki para dekhot kilawan ban ai min sim bat kum jo ru ban kirshan ye ki Samla puli ki bidang yai beteng ya ka jing ki ling ba ka jing sha thangan uba Michael's im ulong kini ki Samla kimde ki le no ne ki runar ki jing dawa jong ki kilong ki basong nong rim ula ken turu ya ka sarkar India bakan tukalar mardor pan pen orlong ya ki jing dawa jong ki Samla puli.
At least kimat yo obor chwa le si dakila kham yo obor kila kan continue biang nada kan kamlong favorable kan ka inquiry report kan ida kis ngo bakam biang kan ka jingya ka jingman kan ka inquiry mo otherwise la ki continue be community nga ikop ka ban long ka ba jur su te ki kina yo ki poi hospital ban baro la sha yo mut igi ba sha kan doktor na menta ki don khatsan mut ki ba sha thangan teman ka singi don be na ari ba poi sha hospital sangut man kasing yalam sa klinik ni hap eye drip dan kila tulad ti sandi lalik la yo stomach infection hadu man tao dang hap eye injection license ni wat la kataru umtre ban i no ikan ka hunger strike doctor ting ala kabi long shu ban kin continue kun ni ibe khna mentan gidang shura sa civil hospital isandi ibal bala one pan of civil hospital ru idak shitom ya dumen ta bakin patre hi bakin bam tenga sngo kum doctor te bala de bakin kut no kan ka hunger strike ka government le sek la de ban le ke khang baki ni ki khna ki la ban stop no kan ka hunger strike no ha ka jing pe janga ta kam ilong shu bakin continue kum ni ndai ki la ban poi ban shi ka bas ngo si ken
Miling jonga kumba piyo ima mentan tais panggo boy dohat jonga ke suni unit jinus katri mulai sahabat mas hospital jadi poi hospital jong kalalong arsin the health center nagi ken na south sin samsin ni la poi te ni galeng jongi kumoi yo i kidakhat nek pos por long kum man kasngi kila poi be sepo hospital ni sepo health center te ni galeng jongi ngila kapat ni ka sarkar makan pet ye kini isu kebalong kebantai kini isu kat bakala dan solve no as soon as possible. Right now it's not good because more students will go for hospitalized. So even I think like what doctor said also every day the student they went for clinic they go for that drip. So yes we from my personal I already
appeal my central government this is a central university but these who are doing the hunger strike, they are students. They are not terrorists, they are not militants. They are more concerned about the academic future of the students. So the demands are genuine. So we appeal to the central government, to the authorities concerned, take immediate steps to give the relief. We don't want that the NEHU, which I've been part of since the inception, to slide down, and see the students suffer for no fault of theirs. So from the Machipang, we appeal to the central government to intervene immediately so that students also can follow the hunger strike.
Ki VDP ringkat ka Shillong kami mau kerwat bat ki dekat jong ka JACASE kila tray borba banrat dengkong ye ki kam sniu ha ka than mau kerwat kham tam e ya drugs bat kum ju ru ya ka kiat ha ka khat pratri Naiwieng la yo ru ban kurup ya sau berni ka kiat persi bat da ki spa bilar ka kiat thang Hakani kasngi uba Didi Thongni Presiden ka VDP mau kerwat bat kum juru uba Ferdinand yau phanya u Presiden jong ka GACASE kilaya thu shekinong tho Khubor haba kila deb ban the no yakini ki kiat ka ba kila yo ban kurup da ka baong kum kinong Peit ya ka bha ka miat hapo ka shnong mau kerwat dalilei ru kinom sha ban di kiat ani ban di drugs ya khalai bat kino ki kamsniu Hakini ki khendiat sngi kila yo ru ban kurup bun ba ki kiat Bean nya kasnong makrwat yekini ki kiat balayo kurup da ka VDP bat kum juru da ka Shillong kami la the no man ta kasngi shamadan kilo ongru ba nang ne shakhamat kinsa pen khlan chu shu ban pahara hela ka jong kasnong
bat ki de khot jong ka jakis nang ta ka Samla nang ta ki Shillong kami nilai ban khanra hapo yo makrwat tingal yo ban kurup no ikini kiat iba PUE menta ti kajing trikam jongik masnong makurwat nadu mensua ngile trei dakaba ngila yale persya nengkong ya kakiat udrok khalai iba kanrei bah kan snong makurwat bah po iyo makurwat ngimla ban klem da pen paw jing sungu ya ki seng bhalang ki balai trilang bat ngi kum basnong makurwat hakaba hakini ki banai beladep ngila yok ban ngila yok ban ya trerengkat hakaba ngila ban kem sibun kinong didrok bat kinong didrok bat kumjuru hadu mentah ngimpat sange daga jing ya trilang jong kini kiseng balang apo kan ka dong kathang ka jongi ngila la ban pentanda ye kini ki jing sneu bila jia kan ka snong makurwat kham tam po iyo ti nakaliang jongi kum ki nong snong jang ka makurwat gila du thia du dem ki man la ki por sngi ngi haban ya trei haban ya mi ban volunteer ya kan ka iyo makurwat namar ba ka jing Jylla ki kam sneu kan ka hapo iyo makurwat kolong hadu kata-kata henry daga jing trilang jong pi kum ki seng bhalang hapo jong ka dong ka than ka jongi kalalong kum ni kumalong ha ka por ka menta ngi kum ka VDP rengkat bar kini ki seng bhalang ngi ai ka Khubor ka basai saki baro khamtam e hinong didrok kiba juan berbor hapo sno makro ban didrok hinong dikiat hinoi khalai bat barok kiba le ikam sneu nakaliang jongi ngino mailat nang ne suk magandang yai troi naga banta kajing bha ka dong ka than ka jongi nakaliang jong ngi ka Joint Action Committee an anti element social element ni don hang ne ba kalong kumno ban i ya kataga ya ka ba kum ka seng layo ban
ka kenhuan football tenbro FC kala kirthiau ya ka jongi FC da arlawe ha ka lempung 50 rot sings e memorial football tournament ka balalong hamadan dom maulum pindeng umyong mairang bat da kani ka jingjop ka tenbro FC kala rung shaka semi final ha kani ka tournament Ka Shangpung Government Upper Primary School haka khatan reutrek Naiwieng kalara khe ya kalingkho shispa snem haka jing shakri jongka yeki pat ba jongka ni ka than Giant Hills madeka Jylla hi barok away. Bat nakani ka school lami ru daki hajar ngut ki rang ba bat kilong kimi kibala penno abha haki kam shakri pat ba kum kinong hikai kinong yalam balang kinong tre haki office sarkar kinong khai bat kibabun ba kiwe pat. Nakani ka school lami ru ki kime ki pa ki bakrao bat ki blate bat Khuborjylla ki khun ki kti ban poi shiki kerdan jong ka nam haki babon ba kilang. Hakani ka sngi le kamen ya ka jingdap shis pas nem ki kam shakuri jong kani ka school uba coming one umban umentry ki kam food and civil supplies but water resources ulalong ukongsan. Katba uba di langstang u chief engineer PWD roads ulalong usimbot kongsan. Uba langstang ulayang saki da ka baong bakani ka school kala say ya ki doctor ki engineer ki nong hikai school college ki belatre hakaleng ki shnong jongkani ka Jylla. Uba langstang ula airu ya ka buram bat ka jingiro ya baro ki baladan kti ban penroy ya kani ka school hakini ki shis pas nem ki balala. Ula kerku kerdo ru ya ka school bakan nang kiyo Shaprang Shekler jong kanam hakis nem ki banangwan. Bat nakalyang jong ukongsen uba coming one umban hakajing kren jong uloong kani ka jingle kamen kamde tang ban pen irong Henry kebadan kam tam de ki khenna school bat kinong hikai ban shimkhia bat komjuru ban pen kraw shu yaki matti jong ka hakis nem ki banangwan. Ulakin turu iki nong hikai bat komjo iki khenna school banya khunting e ban poisha ka thong jingjap haka jinga ko babon jat haka ni ka juk haba phai shaka puli ka puthi ulong ka Jylla Meghalaya ka degi babon tam ki school haka than not is Henry ka bas ngosi pat kalong ba ka puli puthi kalanang her bat ka daw baro ka de balabal kala na du bastang naka jingher ka puli ka puthi la her ru ka akor ka buram haki babon ki school jonga Jylla bat ka sarkar kalawat ni kilat kilenti ban kinting ya ki school shaki kerdan ki bakham shajrong bat kiso kiban sapaw hakini kisnem kibanwan ulaong ulakit bag ruya ka school ye kinong panyay bat kumjuru ye kinong hikai bat kham tam e ki khenna school bakin nang kiyo irat hakisnem kiban nangwan hakani kale kan men shispa snem la dan lang ru kish reu shampang gi bakan thop yo ba Paul Reader Marwen u chairman jang ka MPSC ka kong AP steam DSEO West Giant Hills bada hajar mot ki pat ba jong kani ka than hakani ka sngi la yo ru ban pen her sha sahid beneng ya shi spa tali ki balloon ban pen I sha ka perthai ba ka school kala shakri shi spa tali ki snem la pen pho ya kani ka sngi kemen de ki jing rai ki jing shat ba buan jat ne ki khna school barim ki badang poli menta bat na ka sur tin rai Shangpung
kini yi managing committee ka bigino ka woni chamni ngaji to la to ti kam no punyo ya kani ka building school siap kemen yo ne wa kani building school naman go yo sok yo tanat ado karte kate ini udah bantua udah kani sis pas nem kani school wani champion yo nga haji to kam no pun pho pun pin ya kani jing dap sis pas nem yo kani school de perchang ni to ila dulti de pemprai ke school wurim go em ni perdi de chenai ni pelaur chenai ni fencing lepas cenai ki surok ngan nei dang ong yo winu nong ka yang ni skor ong ledem em kam gedi kenja celebration thara ka skor kam cho ne mun ma ong itu was kiat itu mut yo bi ni nong ka la ne ki managing committee de lebem kam ni kenja celebration ki jan jo poi berkat kirewo upan gini ki jing em kam wo ki em kam
because you know the education as a country as a whole is evolving, changing. Let's hope it change for the better. But what makes this school remarkable is its ability to adapt, to continue making a difference in spite of all the changing world, particularly the change in the education system.
Kitu mentan, kilalong ki Khubor ki bawan shapi na ka Donbosco Media Network.